Hello. Hello. Me and Janae just got done doing the cinnamon challenge, and now we're doing the blender challenge. The worst challenge you could ever do.
Okay. I'm gonna go first. Pick something out of the thing, and then I'll write it down, and then she'll go write it down, and then later on we're gonna all blend it together in the blender. So here we go. I'll go first.
She picks 8 things, and I pick 8 things.
Okay, so the first one is apple juice. Okay.
That's one thing.
Next is white cheddar popcorn seasoning. Then there's mango juice. Ooh, it fell off.
That's why I said to get a big one.
And chips. Ew.
You have the worst things.
How many is that?
1, 2, 4.
5 Fruity Pebbles. I like Fruity Pebbles. What is that, 5?
Wait, I just noticed something. 8 plus 8 equals 16. We don't have 16 of those things. So we both can't get 8.
What do you mean it's okay?
There's not 16.
We put it back in there. Put them back in there.
Oh.
That's
Okay.
how it's. How many is that? Well, let's just do 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hold on. Let's just do. We're doing
You're
6.
only saying that because you don't want to get more words.
No, I'm saying that because it's a lot of things. And syrup! Okay,
Good
so
luck.
I'm going to write these down, and then Kaiden's going to pick hers. Okay, so I have syrup.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay. Wait, Kaiden, you have to wait. Time it back in there.
Oh, yeah.
Pick that one up. Is that Fruity Snacks?
Yeah. You wrote that.
I thought that said Fruity Pebbles. I thought that was Fruity Pebbles. That's Fruit Snacks.
You're thinking of...
Fruit Snacks. Oh gosh.
Your food's mixed up. You gonna eat them too. Wait, what is that?
Chips and mango juice.
Okay.
You can't look while you're picking them. Turn your head away.
Now it's my turn.
Okay.
First thing is... By the way, chips are the barbecue chips. But first thing I got is fruit snacks. Already horrible. Second thing, noodles. Yee! Now I'm hating myself. Third thing,
Chips.
kicks. You know what? I don't feel as bad for you. Fourth thing. Something bad. You know that.
Mango juice.
Mango juice. Why do you guys have this type of stuff? Fifth thing.
Syrup.
Syrup.
Syrup. And
sixth thing.
white.
White chair. You know what? I don't feel bad for you.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go flip mango juice.
Okay, she is going to blend her food, or shall I say, drinks. She can't get the white cheddar open. I guess she'll have to pick up. Never mind. Now she is blending hers. Well, at least getting ready to. You already went down some. You have to put some more. That's no fair. Man, I wish I went first.
I'm not drinking it.
Yes, she is.
I'll just put this in the cup.
But that's not enough.
Kind of, yes it is.
No, it's not. You used to drink more.
No, I
High
don't.
protein.
There, that's perfect.
Wait, no, don't drink it yet.
Okay, now.
It smells like rotten Sunny. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna go mix my things. Now I'm about to do mine. Are you serious? She's about to give me a door cup.
In case it spills, I'll be right here. No, that's the vibration up.
Oh, it smells horrible. What's that red stuff?
Your fruit. Oh gosh.
Yes. I can get fruit.
Okay, ready? Set.
No. I don't wanna do this. Look, you win.
Kaiden, just do a sip.
Say goodbye to my life.
Ready, set, a sip.
Hold on.
I'm gonna throw
Okay,
up.
I'm okay with the sip.
No,
Wait, where's the top?
you can pop. You have to drink it.
I
I'm throw up. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
I'm not about to do this because I'm about to.
Wait, did you do the lettuce?
No, I didn't get it.
No, I mean write it down.
Yeah, everybody got it. Kaiden, are you doing this? I'm about to throw up.
Goodbye, my friends. You gotta do it with me.
I'm gonna throw up, Kaiden.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I have a weak stomach.
Well, if you are, here's a thing. There's a trash can in there.
I'm not doing this.
My heart.
I'm not doing that.
It's
No.
okay.
I have a weak stomach. I'm not doing that.
I can feel my heart beating out of my chest. Goodbye, friends.
Hold on, I'm about to Snapchat my friend this.
No.
Yes. wait.
Tatiana?
No, my friend Bisma.
Bismo. What type of name is that?
So, wait, hold on. She's Asian and Okay, Bisma. So I have like all this crazy junk and all of this, and we did a challenge where we mixed everything together. And here's our stuff. So I have like all this crazy junk and all of this, and we did a challenge where we mixed everything together. And here's our stuff.
Wait, do it over. Oh,
Wait.
So neat.
Wait. Oh. I'm gonna do another one. Oh no, it stopped. I'm about to throw up.
Oh! Didn't that burp? A little bit came up.
And I just got through doing the
It was
cinnamon
from
challenge,
that
and now I have to
triple.
do this. Like, I'm about to throw up.
She's not the only one.
I just got through doing the cinnamon challenge, and now I have to do this. Like, I'm about to throw up. I just got to.
Look. Oh my gosh. Look. Here we go. Let's do this. Hurry before I go in the toilet.
Ready, set, go.
I call the bathroom first.
I call. I'm not doing this kind of. I'm about to throw I wanted to she get them right quick. Kaiden, are you gonna do it?
I'm dying.
I'm not gonna do it, Kaiden. Well, we have to just do a little.
I just did!
Kaiden!
Actually, I did less than that and it tasted disgusting.
We're about to do just one little thing, like, and then that's it. And then I'm gonna. Are you running to the toilet?
Yeah. Go turn off the light.
Kaiden, you want to do that? You don't wanted to do it.
Well, I wanted to until I figured out what I was gonna pick. Or I could get the bathtub. It doesn't matter.
Ew! Not in the bathtub. Are you crazy? I'm gonna get right here in the sink. Hold on, my friend's Snapchatting me back.
Don't help me today. I need you. You're crazy. Is that Tatiana?
No, it's my cousin Kaiden. And she's 10 and she wants to do all this crazy stuff. The cinnamon challenge and now this.
It's my cousin Kaiden. And she's 10 and she wants to do all this crazy stuff. The cinnamon challenge and now this. It's my cousin Kaiden.
I'm scared. It's nasty.
Me too! I did a little dot in it. I almost fainted.
Scared. It's nasty.
Me too! I did a little dot. Okay, let's do this! I'm a man!
Kaiden!
First, I do a little dot. Wait, let me see if yours is as bad.
Ew! No, I'm not doing it. Okay, we did our little thing, a little dot. That's what we did.
Wait, I want to see. No, yours is worse.
Kaiden!
Goodbye.
Okay, now drink the rest. That's how we'll do it. Drink what's left in the cup. Like, what's left in your cup? Oh no, my phone died. I have to put on.
Nothing
Now let's
happened.
drink it. Ready?
Wait, hold on.
That.
No.
Kaiden, no, you're cheating. Okay.
It looks weird. It looks weird, it tastes weird, it smells weird. Help me!
Ready, set. Kaiden! No. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Hold on.
Peace.